So I'm going to go ahead and start off with this look by setting my primer and everything. Now, you guys, this look was supposed to be a talk through, like, welcoming 2019. But, no. I already said everything, what my goals were and everything like that. Plus, have another video coming up explaining my goals. So I'm going in with the Tarte Man-Eater eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be taking Saucy, and I'm going to be applying Saucy as my crease color. Then I'm going to be taking Cat Call from the Man-Eater palette, and I'm going to be applying it to the crease. I'm going to make it like a little sharp edge, because I'm going to take it to the crease, and also I'm going to add it to the lower lash line, kind of being like a little sharper out of V. I've been loving sharper out of V looks lately, because I feel like a sharper out of V look really increases a look. And then I'm going to take the e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm going to use Saucy from the same exact palette. I'm just going to be taking that brush and Saucy, the shade, and I'm just going to clean up any harsh eye lines, even though I want a harsh out of V, but not a harsh crease color. Of course, you gotta apply concealer. The LA Colors Concealer Up. It's like my bae. Like, this is bae. Like, concealer God's bae. So I went in with the Cinnamon palette from Maybelline, and I took the bronze color, and then I'm going to take the green color from the Cinnamon palette. This is a great palette, you guys. I will have all the names listed below, all the palettes, everything I'm using in this video listed below. And then I'm going to be taking my eyeliner. I'm going to be taking e.l.f. eyeliner in black, y'all. The littest eyeliner I ever love, of course. And it's just the blackest black. Why not? you.